नमस्कार दोस्त, स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल पर जहां क्रिकेट की हर धड़कन को हम आपके लिए लाते हैं। आज हम बात करेंगे उस लम्हे की जब कैप्टन कूल MS धोनी ने एक बार फिर अपने फैंस को भावुक कर दिया। 20 मई 2025 को चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स का मुकाबला राजस्थान रॉयल्स से हुआ। मैच के बाद धोनी का इंटरव्यू सामने आया जिसमें उन्होंने दिल छू लेने वाली बातें कही।
Because there are chances that you may not bat 20 overs. So Brevis inning was really nice because he was in between taking risk and that's the phase where we want to improve slightly. So I felt the run was up, the run rate was up, but where we lacked was maybe one or two extra wickets that fell.
One positive thing though, MS Kamboj, you've stuck with him bowling in power play. It's not an easy job and he's stood up to the test.
I think he's good, he gets a bit of movement. He's not someone who gets a lot of swing. I think there's a bit of seam movement and I feel the ball hits you slightly harder than what the speed gun actually suggests. So he's good. He can also bowl good Yorkers. So we're just easing him into that. But he has taken the responsibility very well because that's one area again, where there's a bit of hole for us, who to bowl in the first six, try not to give too many runs in the first 6 overs. So, he has done well. More often than not, he has bowled 3 overs in the power play, which I feel, it's quite tough on, especially if the batsmen are good, they are set and if it's not moving much.
MS, I want to take you to a wider perspective. Of course, you've talked earlier today with Ravi about building and finding golden nuggets for the future, for next year, for example. But as you look beyond your team and you see someone like Suryavanshi, what sort of things have these guys got to learn? You've got Matre in your team who's young as well. What's your advice?
I think it's a consistency, that you have to look for. And, but again, the thing is, if you're looking for a 200 plus strike rate, then consistency is hard to get. But at the same time, these batters, I feel irrespective of whether it's circle or after the circle, they can hit the sixes. They play the spinners also very well. So it's just that they need to back themselves and say, okay, I look to play a long innings. And another thing is, don't take that extra pressure. Once you have a good season, a lot of people expect a lot of things from you. So it's the pressure of the expectation level that is set by others. So what is important is to.
तो दोस्तों, क्या आप तैयार हैं धोनी के इस आखिरी सफर को यादगार बनाने के लिए? कमेंट में बताएं कि धोनी के इस इंटरव्यू ने आपको कितना भावुक किया। वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करना न भूलें और ऐसे ही और क्रिकेट अपडेट्स के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।